The Lucid Air Sapphire, the world's first luxury electric super sedan. It looks calm, but under this elegant blue skin hides a monster. With over 1,200 horsepower, it's not just here to compete, it's here to dominate. The Sapphire Edition wears a unique deep blue color with gloss black accents. From the sleek LED front bar to the 21-inch staggered wheels, this isn't just a luxury EV, it's an electric predator. At the back, the wide light blade and carbon diffuser add to its aggression. With a tri-motor setup, it delivers 1,234 horsepower and 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2 seconds. It's faster than most supercars and fully electric. Inside, it's ultra-premium. Black leather and Alcantara with blue stitching, massive floating screens. And sport seats with heating, cooling, and massage. Comfort meets power. You get carbon ceramic brakes, adaptive suspension, and drive modes like drag strip, hot lap, and track. Yet it's silent and smooth enough for a village road. Up to 687 kilometers range. In a car this fast? Unreal. Priced around $250,000, the Sapphire competes with the Tesla Model S Plaid and Porsche Taycan Turbo S. But Lucid adds sharper handling and real exclusivity. It's more than just a fast EV, it's electric luxury redefined. What do you think? Is this the king of electric sedans? Like, share and subscribe to Car Talk Official for more luxury car content every week.